How to fix HP laptop black screen but turns on problem. So if you want to fix HP laptop black screen problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply make sure that you have plugged in your charger. Make sure that you're actually getting a charge. So there should be a little LED near the charge port. Once you plugged it in, you should see that light up and it just lets you to know that the laptop is getting a charge. And if it's getting charged, then it's not some sort of battery issue. Once you know it's getting a charge, the next thing I would do is a quick keyboard combination. That'll reset the graphics card and this can fix the issue. So to do that, simply hold the shift button, the control button, the Windows start button, and B at the same time, just for a second or two. You might see it come back. You can hold it for maybe like 5 to 10 seconds and then let go, and your screen will be reappeared. But if you're still having the issues after doing that quick keyboard combination, then you need to go with a hard reset of HP laptop. You can just simply hold the power button for around like 30 seconds, and until the laptop turns off, keep holding it. Then after 10 seconds, just briefly hold the button down again, the power button, for maybe like 2 seconds. You should see the display backlight turn on. Maybe if you have a black light on your keyboard, it will turn on. And now you can see that the display will be working on your HP laptop. So these were the fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.